BackRoom Labs here, guys. It's been a while since my last video. It's been hot. I do heating and air conditioning work. We've been extremely busy. But I found some time, and this is what we're going to be messing with now. We just ordered this from Amazon. It's Intex Excursion 5 inflatable raft. It's 12 feet long by 5.5 feet wide. And I got the motor mount for it. I think we have it's either a 30 or a 45 pound thrust trolling motor we're going to put on this. But yeah, this thing, everything delivered here, the motor mount in this I think delivered was like 165. Maximum of 5 passengers, 1,300 pounds. So I'll get it unboxed here and we'll get it inflated and see what it's all about. Thought that was pretty neat. Everything comes in a little carrying bag. Here's everything laid out. We got our 2 oars, looks like the grab rope, the fishing rod holders, a high output pump, and I figured since I'm going to be videoing this, I might as well video unrolling it, so if I have problems folding it back up, I can just refer back to my own video. So there it is, all opened up, and we have our front and back seats and the center inflatable bench seat. So next we'll go ahead and get the seats pumped up, and then we'll get the boat pumped up. Here it is all set up. It takes about 15 minutes to get it all loaded up and put together. Motor mount's pretty cool. There's plenty of room in here. Alright, so next step is going to go down and get some plywood and some indoor-outdoor carpet, and we're going to put a hard floor in here so it'll be a lot more stable. And then the next thing to do will be to form a canopy or Bimini top, and once we get those 2 things done, then she's ready for the water. So here it is with the hardwood floor. I got a 4x8 sheet of plywood, 1/2 inch thick. I flipped the boat upside down so I could get the pattern to cut out. It wasn't very easy, but we got it figured out. And then I got some marine carpet from Home Depot and glued that to it, front, side, and back. And then I wrapped the edges with some Armor Flex for, you know, water pipe or air conditioning pipe here. That will protect the rubber or PVC vinyl edges. And when I walk on it here, it's super sturdy. So we're actually going to float the canyon this weekend, so we'll give her a good test and see how it does. I also have the components for the Bimini top, which I need to get some nylon fabric and do a little sewing, and then that'll be ready by this weekend also. And that's where we're at so far. So here's what I came up with for the canopy or Bimini top. Just got some CPVC, a couple 90s, and the bow of the pipe has plenty of pressure to hold this out here. All 4 of those. And then I got a couple of adjustable bungee cords to keep it taut. What I plan on doing, so I'm going to glue these 2 sections here, then I'm going to drill a hole through, all the way through, and get a bolt and a wing nut, so then everything can be disassembled real easy to put in the bed of the truck and take it home. I'm going to go down to the local fabric store and find some nylon, and I'm going to sew it up, I guess do a couple hems, and slide it onto the pipe, and we'll see what happens. So here's what I came up with. I just got it clamped on there for temporary. I think I might get 6 of the little clamps, the metal ones that are pretty strong, and just clamp it on, 3 on each end, instead of actually sewing it, because I don't have a sewing machine and it is Saturday and we are going out tomorrow, so I want to be able to use it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get 6 of the little clamps there. But at any rate, there is the modified Intex Excursion 5, and when I do acquire a trolling motor, I will post a video of that. Thanks for watching.